How do I solve these problems? How do I solve them? Okay, let's solve number 7 first. What do I know? I know I have to find out the number of fat in 2 slices of pizza, 1.5 cups of macadamia nuts, and 6 cups of popcorn. I have to find the food with the most fat. I have to find the difference of the number of fat in the food with the most and the food with the least. First, let's find out the fat in 2 slices of pizza. There are 55.25 grams of fat in 1 slice of pepperoni pizza. And since I need to find the fat in 2 slices, I multiply 55.25 by 2. And that becomes 110.5 grams of fat in 2 slices of pizza. So, now that we have solved the amount of fat in 2 slices of pizza, now we'll solve the number of fat in 1.5 cups of macadamia nuts. Since there are 101.4 grams of fat in 1 cup, we'll multiply 101.4 by 1.5, which is 152.1 grams of fat in 1.5 cups of the nuts. This is a bit tricky. Since we need to find the fat in 6 cups of popcorn and 1.3 grams of fat are in 3 cups of popcorn, we need to multiply 1.3 by 2, which is 2.6. So there are 2.6 grams of fat in 6 cups of popcorn. Now comes the real problem. Which food has the most fat? That is the first question. Let's compare 110.5 grams in the pizza, 152.1 grams in the nuts, and 2.6 grams of fat in the popcorn. Since 152.1 is the biggest, the macadamia nuts contain the most fat. Here's the next problem. What is the difference between the food with the most fat and the food with the least? Since the macadamia nuts contain the most fat, then one of our operands are 152.1. Since the popcorn contains the least fat, then 2.6 goes here. And so, subtract that and you get 149.5 grams. The difference is 149.5 grams of fat. Now that we have solved problem number 7, let's go on to problem 8. What do I know? I know that I have to find out how many pounds of tomatoes Mason can expect to harvest. So now I'll estimate how many times 1.5 will fit into 10.5. 1.5 is about 2, and 10.5 is about 11. So 2 goes into 11 5 times. Now I will multiply 5 by 3.4 to get the number of pounds of tomatoes that Mason can expect. 3.4 times 5 equals about 17. Mason can expect 17 pounds of tomatoes.